Why should women include cinnamon in their daily diet? Cinnamon helps in regulating menstrual cycles by balancing hormones, increasing the blood flow in the uterus. Drinking cinnamon water helps regulate your period cycle and also reduces painful period cramps. Reduces the symptoms of PCOS. Cinnamon reduces the symptoms of PCOS and improves menstrual cycle. Also improves ovulation in women struggling with PCOS. Regulates blood sugar level. It's known to improve insulin sensitivity in your body and also regulates blood sugar levels in the body. Consuming cinnamon regularly helps prevent the spikes and crashes in blood sugar level. Boost immunity. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help strengthen the immune system. Its compounds such as cinnamaldehyde has been shown to enhance immune response and combat infections. Heart health. Cinnamon may promote heart health by lowering levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, reducing the risk of heart diseases. Its anti-inflammatory properties also supports cardiovascular health by aiding in blood vessel function and reducing inflammation. Promotes weight loss. Cinnamon may aid in weight loss by regulating blood sugar levels, reducing cravings, and boosting metabolism, making it a beneficial addition to the balanced diet exercise routine. Helps in digestion. Consumption of cinnamon promotes digestion, reduces the effect of bloating, and also helps with stomach discomfort in the body. Improves fertility rate. Cinnamon has been found to improve the rate of fertility and increase the production of hormones that are necessary for ovulation. Therefore, consuming cinnamon water every day can thus help improve one's chances of conception. I hope this helps.